how to fix Android phone flashlight not working. So if your Android phone flashlight is not working, then the first thing to do is you need to restart. So restarting fixes many problems. You need to simply hold on to that power button and tap on restart or reboot and restart your device. And once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. And after that, you need to check your Android device if it's too hot, like if you've just completed a game, or if you're like doing any heavy duty on your Android phones, your phone might heat up. So if your phone heats, then your flashlight won't work. So you need to simply cool down your phone, and once you've cooled down, you can again go for the flashlight and turn it on, and your problem will be fixed. You can either block any applications that might heat up your phone and put your phone in some air-conditioned room, and your problem will be fixed. And the second thing is, if your battery is too low or it is in low power mode, then try to change the things, or try to change the battery settings. So you need to remove the low power mode, or you need to charge your device if your battery is low. And if it's not the case, then you need to reset your camera application preferences. So for that, you need to open up your settings and you need to scroll down, go for the app and tap on see app, go for the search icon which is on the upper side and search for camera, and under your camera go for the storage and cache and go for clear cache, and then tap on clear storage. And once you've deleted or cleared your storage, now you can remove everything, and then you can go and turn on the flashlight. And once you've tap on that, your flashlight will be turned on. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply open up your Play Store, and then you can go and search for any flashlight application. So for example, if you search for the flashlight, here you will have flashlight applications. You can install any one of these and then you can use them as a flashlight. That's how you can fix your Android phone flashlight not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.